Good evening and thank you for joining us.
Tenants in a Lubbock mobile home park now have water after going without it for 2 weeks. The property owner fixed the issue after a justice of the peace threatened jail time.
Investigative reporter Shaylee Kidwell has the latest in tonight's tenant troubles report.
October 9th, a City of Lubbock environmental health inspector visited this Thunder Sun mobile home park near the Lubbock airport. In her report, obtained by the KCBD Investigates team, she cited violations including surfacing sewage, an overflowing dumpster, and standing water in the pool. The inspector documented water to the park would be turned off until Thunder Sun could fix the underlying sewage issues. This has become a familiar problem for Ida Bosque, a tenant we first met in January when she complained of water and electricity shutoffs. Months later, Bosque says the park still has issues, which is why she contacted attorney Adam Pirtle with Legal Aid of Northwest Texas.
We were just tired of being without water and going somewhere else to take a shower and going to the laundromat to wash clothes.
On October 24th, Bosque worked with Pirtle to file this application for a writ of restoration, which states interruptions of electricity or water were caused by the landlord multiple times this year and last year. The court documents reference KCBD's investigation.
I'm so grateful that you and KCBD have been reporting on this story for so long. Before I got involved, y'all were getting things done just by putting eyes on this, and giving people like Ms. Bosque a voice.
On October 31st, the owner of Thunder Sun, Austin Hughes, appeared for the hearing in Bosque's case. No cameras were allowed in the courtroom, but Hughes testified that the plumber he initially hired claimed to be working to resolve the issue, but lied and took off with his money. Hughes said he was in the process of working out a payment plan with another plumbing company. At this point, Bosque testified she had been without water for 22 days. The JP told Hughes that paying tenants deserve to have water and electricity. She held Hughes in contempt and said if water was not restored to the park by November 7th, he would be confined to jail. We tried to speak with Hughes after the hearing, but he declined to comment. Bosque says the park had water by November 5th.
Did you think you were going to get your water turned on that quickly?
Yes, I was positive it was going to get turned on.
And why is that?
Because if he did turn it on, he was going to go to jail.
Pirtle says he is happy these tenants now have water, but issues remain.
I mean, you can see over there that there's a dumpster that's overflowing with trash.
Just minutes after our interview with Pirtle on Friday, November 7th, the park's dumpster was hauled off. The driver told us it was for non-payment. Bosque says that's not her only concern. She received this flyer from Reliant last month, letting her know the park would lose electricity for non-payment.
We're paying him money and he's not using it to pay for our water or electricity.
Bosque says despite this notice, they haven't lost electricity, but getting information from utility companies is difficult because the accounts are in the property owner's name. Last month, Thunder Sun filed for bankruptcy, but the judge dismissed the case without prejudice, leaving these tenants wondering what's next. Shaylee Kidwell, KCBD, Investigates.
And we tried to contact Austin Hughes for comment on this story, but he has not responded. We'll let you know if he does.